Hello there again. So we're going to unbox a new item. This is worth 372 pesos or around $7.50. So let's check this out. What is this? So it is packaged. Okay. Just have to be careful, we might damage something. So what is it? It is a slingshot. Wow. Maybe that's why it's so cheap. The rubbers are so flimsy. And look at this. What a joke. I expected this to be metal. Sort of a metallic, but it's really lightweight and really small. So I think the trick here is this one. You have to set the rubbers here. I think that's it. This is kind of loose already as well. And we have some issues in the actual. See that? There's a spur. It shouldn't be there. So this is a little bit cheap, but not that cheap. It's also, if you're looking for a proper slingshot, this is not the item to buy. Okay, I'm not planning on giving a good review for this, but wow, it's really for kids. What the? Really? So it should be like this. And these ones, what are these supposed to be? These are the sights here. Is it supposed to be here? What the? This one. I think this is the battery for the laser. Right? Oh, it's really nice, actually. It's nice. But the difficulty here is, how are you going to zero out the sights for this? Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway. You can replace. Oh, so the side. Where does it have a groove? Where should we put this? There's no instruction. It's just there. Let's put it back. Let's put this back. Laser. What is this supposed to be? What? It's just full of BS. I don't know. Anyway, we go. I think we already got the... What? Really? So we put this here. I suppose we're going to put it here. What? How are we supposed to use this? I put this on the side. Let's try. Let's try. So this is it. So we can set the sights for the target. Okay, let's assemble this. Anyway, that's the main plan for this. Okay. So I think you can replace this if you're really serious about this one, but it's not that good. This one you can use for your cats. So like that. Like this. Sit. Let's put it there. Let's make sure it is tight. But I'm not convinced that this will properly work. I should make sure that the length is the same. I think the length is the same as well. So it's difficult if we're going to fold it. Because I'm planning to fold it like this to make a thicker handle. Or, I don't know about this. Is this how you tighten it? It's already moving. It's wiggling. See? Doesn't work. Maybe a piece of paper. Oh no. Still won't work. That will still not work. Trying to think of something. Oh, so it's just plastic. Coated in metal color. So this is a pure scam. This is a scam. Very bad quality. Do it like this. It won't work. This is just too dumb. Oh no, I'm just at a loss for words. It's just so dumb. Okay, anyway, that's it. Finally, after all that we did, or after all that we bought, we are finally able to buy a garbage item. There's the laser. Goodbye. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is making me laugh. It's garbage. Thank you. Okay, so after a few minutes of a little a little more thinking and a little analysis, I think this is okay. I was able to test earlier about attaching this, but on the first try we were having some difficulties, right? So right now let's just try it again. So it should be like this. So this one should be right here, and we should tighten up the screw really tight. Okay, so to help us tighten it even further, I'm using this towel. Okay. I hope you didn't hear a kid farting in the background, because I heard it here. Looks a little better now. So we will tighten this as well. Tighten. Teen Titan or Attack on Titan. Is that it? And they're laughing. What a dad joke, right? Yeah. We have to tighten it, right? Attack on Titan. So here we have it. It's ouch. It's not sliding anymore, but I hit myself. So they say that the purpose of this, the laser is to have it centered here. Okay, have it centered here. So you hit it. Okay. So for example, like that. Should be able to hit it. It didn't hit me, but it should hit the target. But yeah, obviously I will not be testing it inside the house. Maybe later on when we go outdoors. If it's already safe outdoors, then we will be using this. So I'm changing my mind. I'm quite satisfied with this. Given the price, even if it's a bit flimsy, it is still usable. Okay? Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.